Alright, today we're going to be installing the Ibexx Universal Bi-Directional Ice Scratchers on the new Polaris Patriot Boost. We're going to show you how to get it done. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and remove the factory ice scratchers. It's going to take a T40 Torx bit and a 10mm Allen. So we'll go ahead and take this off and set those aside. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and open up our Ibexx Ice Scratchers. And so these are side specific, so they are labeled right and left. So just make sure you're on the right side of the sled for the right, left side of the sled for the left. When they are mounted, they should be dragging like so. So this side, sled side, this will drag on the ice below. So now that we've got the factory scratcher off, we're going to go ahead and install the Ibexx scratcher. You'll notice this comes with the washer and this nut on it. Just go ahead and unscrew that. And then simply insert the scratcher through. You'll notice there is a lip right here. It just needs to line up flush on the rail there. To tighten down the Ibexx ice scratcher, it's going to be a 1/2 inch end wrench and then a 1/2 inch socket. And then tighten down and torque to recommended specifications. So now that we've got the spring installed, we're going to go ahead and install the bracket. These will actually hold the spring up when not in use. So when you're ready to install the bracket, go ahead and pull the scratcher up and to kind of see where you might want to install that bracket that holds it up. On this sled, we're going to go ahead and drill a 5/16 bit. We're going to go ahead and drill a hole right here, and that'll hold our spring in place when not in use. Now that we've got the hole drilled, we're just going to go ahead and take this bolt out of here. So then we're going to go ahead and place the washers in our screw. Through the hole we just drilled, and then tighten down your bracket. Same size. Using a 1/2 inch end wrench. Just go ahead and make sure that doesn't slide on you. And then just tighten that down, hand tight. Bend that up and put it on top. And then just go ahead and place your spring on your bracket. You're ready to rock and roll.